Welcome, Wakers! Ako lang ba yung bata pa lang is feeling ko is I can do more, that I am destined to be more, that I can do all things that I want if I just want to. This undeniable or unmeasurable confidence of mine, sometimes I feel like that I'm being just jerk or parang ang yabang. Kasi wala, that's all I believe, that if I want it, if I really put some effort into it, is that I can achieve it. Yeah, that's my childhood overall, and then upon growing up, this feeling just grow and grow. When I was a child, I always this quiet kid that don't really amount in anything, but the only thing that I remember is I have this undeniable confidence that I can do more, that I want to be more. But I don't really give myself the opportunity to do that. But upon growing up, finding new things about me, I build this confidence. And one day, it bursts in a good way. It bursts that I want to try new things and I do it. I do join org, I try basketball, I try things that I never fathomed to do before, and I like it, and I kinda addicted to it. So with that, this one quote that always make me feel alive, and one quote that always bring me the confidence, the belief that I have now, and that is, the Lord will never put something in your mind that He didn't think you are capable. If I didn't think that I am capable of it, then the Lord is not thinking that as well. If you have the same feeling, the same burning confidence and burning desire to do what you want, and still hesitant, you can join me in this journey in proving you that you are capable as much as I do. And all you need is to start, and start believing at yourself, because I believe you can do it. And the one proof you need